Hello guys, welcome to another Elliot with King video. Today I got this message from one of my subscribers here on the channel here, and this is the message here right on the
Thank
top.
you. Heart. What do you think about
So
BTC?
I'm going to try as much as possible to share with you my view on the BTC and other crypto assets, which I will be covering in this video here, and I'm going to try as much as possible to cover Ethereum as well, also BNB, Doge, Shiba Inu, that possibly in the time frame which I've set out for this video. I don't want to make a lengthy video today. I'm going to just make just possibly a 5 or 6 minutes video. So wherever I end with 6 minutes video, I'm going to just close it. All right, let's start right from it. All right, for BTC, we're looking at BTC in the last few years, and this is what it looks like currently. And I would say that we've brightly seen that price has been in an uptrend. Okay, so but this breakout here, and let's look at some key levels here in terms of support and resistance here, where we should look out for support. Let's look at here as support area here. Let's look at here as another support area here. So we're going to look at previous structure now in this video here. So we're looking at around 11k for another support here. Looking at this area here, so we're looking at the next resistance should be inside of here. I'm just gonna ahead just plot out some support resistance here for you guys, because it's gonna be of great importance to you as a trader. So here is gonna be a resistance area here, and we have another resistance area somewhere around this point here. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking Gwen, how do you identify the spots in the market? Okay, so simply these areas are points of liquidity. Okay, so these are points where price happen to react the more. Okay, so how do you understand this? How do I identify this? It's really simple when you understand what the whole market is and what it looks like, the whole psychology of the market, what the different participants are doing. It's really simple to do that. Okay, so I expect BTC to also further continue in its randomness for some time now, looking at it from a weekly time frame. And I think on a daily time frame, we did start to see a little push up to around the 2800k. That was today, and we actually moved right from 1500 plus, just a little bit above 1500. But in all these times here, we've not broken above previous structure. So we've seen that every new highs that was made previously have not been able to clear. Okay, so this was also what it looks like here. This also was looks like, and you can see that every previous highs have not been cleared yet. So we're looking at another one here, and possibly we could be looking at resistance somewhere around here. So if you're looking to see continue buying BTC, well, it's actually not a recommendation, it's actually a suggestion. You can actually look at closing some of your positions around the 20k and then waiting for more directions for BTC. That's what I think. Okay, so we are around the supply area, a possible supply area here, and we could as well lock in some profits, and then let's off we go. All right, looking at Ethereum here, what's going on with Ethereum here? I think Ethereum is more unique for a massive push to the upside here. If it actually there's wind of bullishness coming into the crypto space here, because here it looks as much as a correction here, but overall we've not seen price break through the structure here. But if price happens to break through the structure here, I think that the next step for Ethereum would be to test the previous high here. There is a great chance that price could test the previous high or up to another structural level here, just maybe the 127 extension of this structure here. So I'm going to just go ahead and put up that as the 127 extension of that structure there, and I'm going to put up this here around the 23k. Okay, that's the 127 extension of that structure. I'm looking at this for Ethereum. I think this could also be the best fit for Ethereum. All right, looking at a bigger structure supply area here, we've seen that Ethereum actually sees trading more of a downtrend. This structure here and this reversal here could also continue further downside. For those of you that look to, or that were lucky enough to hop in on a good position on Ethereum, I think this is the time to start looking into your profit and then taking off some profit off the table. Okay, so it's not actually a recommendation, it's actually a suggestion here, and I think that's what I would do as a trader. All right, looking at BNB here, this is Binance Coin here, BNB, this is what the chart looks like. And looking at this one looks really odd. Okay, I would say it looks really odd for a bullishness, but however, price could still do anything it wants to do, because definitely no one knows exactly where the market is going to go to. What we're doing all together is price prediction and putting everything into advantage with the right risk reward here. So I think for this one, I don't really have much to say about this one here, rather than it just doesn't fit my strategy. Okay, so let's look at a little bit of Shiba Inu. Okay, so we looked at certain support area around the Shiba Inu. This was last consolidation area here and accumulation area here. So we're back into the range. I think Shiba Inu should be around inside of this range for a while before maybe a next spring should come. Okay, for the Shiba Inu. Looking at this one here, we've been more of a downtrend. So I'm gonna draw a trend line here. I'm gonna share with you also one of my favorite strategy in terms of how I trade the market here on this one here. So we've seen that price have been trading. If I'm putting a midpoint here on this one here, so I'm putting on middle line here, you can see that price have been trading inside of the upper area here for this one here. If price shallows down one more time, I think Inu is bye-bye to this area here. Okay, and even beyond. So that's what I'm looking at here. And well, as a trader, I'm going to actually still continue plotting my charts and then looking out for possibilities and also probabilities. All right, see you on the next one.